Hello, at the Vintage Shop, we've upgraded our beer line cleaning tank, made it into a beer line cleaning kit. We've added 3 new products. The first one is the plug beer tap. This one works with different type of taps. So I have an inter tap. As you can see, our beer plug has 3 stops, so to speak. The inter tap works until the second stop. It's got a pretty good fit, perfect for cleaning and also keeping your box out. So that's with an inter tap. The same one works on a nuke tap. Also stops halfway there. Holds pretty well. It doesn't actually let go. It also works with a chrome tap. As you can see, this one having a different nozzle goes all the way in. Also holds pretty well. I have a different, I have a Perlic tap, which also works with a Perlic tap. As you can see, they all have very good hold. Our brush is pretty strong. It's gonna keep your flies out. I have a no brand, no name chrome tap. It works with this one also, so it works with different type of taps. You can buy these separately. It works with all of them. We're gonna be adding 1 per kit. You can buy this separately. We're also gonna be adding a cleaning brush, perfect to clean your couplers, your beer lines. You just take things apart. And the brush kind of goes in, helps you clean, get all that gunk and junk out. It's got a coated tip, which is perfect to avoid scratching. It's got the right length. It's a pretty good tool. It's gonna help you clean a lot. We're also adding the double shank faucet beer line adapter wrench. This one you're gonna be able to use for adapting your beer line, loosening, tightening things that are not usually that easy to do, tight spaces. It's a very handy tool that it's got 2 different sizes, which is gonna help a lot. This one is also gonna help you loosen that screw that goes on the tap. That's what that's for. So you can add your beer line cleaning kit to your home brewing equipment. These 3 are gonna come in it, but you can also buy them separately in case you need more, especially things like your plugs for the beer tap. Thank you.